Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Amazon orders not showing on your account. First of all, make sure you're logged in into the correct Amazon account and not in the wrong one. After that, pull down to refresh your orders. Also, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Amazon and then swipe it away, then reopen. This fixes temporary glitches that are causing your app to crash or your orders not being able to pop up. After that, sign out and back in. Go to your account and then scroll down. Go to login and security. Just click on your hello and their name and then click on sign out. Then after signing out, go ahead and sign back in. And make sure to turn off any VPN or proxy if you're using them. Safety tip: keep only one active Amazon account to avoid confusion. Quick fix: check your order confirmation email for tracking links. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.